Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox client is not responding. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to change your compatibility settings. And to do so, on search, just write Roblox player, and then press right click on Roblox player, and then press on open file location. Now to do so, then select Roblox player again, right click on it, go to properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure to select this option, run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 7, and also then select disable full screen optimizations here. Press apply, okay, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you're running, if you're playing Roblox from your Microsoft Store, then you can go to installed apps and then look for Roblox, and it should be this one, and then press on three little dots here, go to advanced option here, and then press repair and then reset, and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here, you can update your GPU drivers. So depending what you're using, NVIDIA or AMD, if you're using NVIDIA, you can go to GeForce Experience. You can download this app completely for free, go to drivers and press check for updates and download the latest version of drivers of your GPU. Download, install, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.